Hey there, everybody. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to grow your trading account. Well, of course, you can grow your trading account by trading and making profits, but there's more than that. There's other ways you can grow your trading account. I'm going to share with you 5 ways that you can double your account with these side gigs and give yourself more money to trade with and improve your knowledge of trading. Let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to suggest that you could possibly think about doing is starting a trading blog or a YouTube channel. Obviously, you're watching me on YouTube, so YouTube channels are the things you can do. But there's so many different topics that you can discuss that are trading related. As you do research, as you do more learning about the topics that you want to talk about, maybe they're your personal experiences that you go through, you're going to learn more and you're going to be able to grow your channel and share the knowledge with the world. That's the first way that you can grow your account, your trading account, or you can generate resources to add to your trading account. Way number 2 is you can offer some one-on-one coaching or you can do an education course. There's so many parts of trading that people need help with, whether it's pushing the buttons, how do you chart, how do you set up your brokerage account, how do you use a certain indicator. All of these things are areas and trainings that people will pay to learn because they're looking for knowledge too. You can create an educational course, can be a small one or a big one, really up to you. If you're going to teach somebody what you know, right? Then along the way, this is the whole point. Not only are you helping someone else, but you're also going to be helping yourself, because one of the best ways to learn something is to teach somebody else. As the professor, that's how I know this. Okay. The third thing you can do to generate resources for your trading account and grow your own skills is you can create and sell trading tools or digital products. Maybe you create spreadsheets. Perhaps you're great at that. Perhaps you can create some chat GPTs that will help people make trading decisions. The ideas and the thoughts are endless. You just have to decide what you're going to do and start doing it. Okay, that was the third way. The fourth way that you can generate some more resources for your trading account is you can do some freelancing of financial writing, right? If you're one who can do financial writing, you can freelance those services out. Maybe you don't want to start your own blog, but you will write for other people's blogs and articles. You can definitely do that. Use your skills because you have a knowledge and a skill set that many of people in the world don't have, and you can put that to use, all right? The last way, we're up to number 5. You can invest in dividend stocks or do peer-to-peer lending. Now, investing in dividend stocks is going to cost you some money on the front side, but you're going to make a dividend just by being the owner. They're going to pay you to be an owner. Or you can do peer-to-peer lending. There's so many sites that you can do that. You want to make sure that you find one that's reputable, right? And you can do lending into these peer-to-peer lending sites. And then the proceeds of that, you can use that to grow your trading account. All right, I just shared with you 5 things you can do as side gigs to grow your trading account and to increase your trading knowledge. Be sure to follow me in all the places. I'm Educator to Trader. Be sure to like and subscribe. All right, bye.